Good morning students. Last class we have learned about board and pieces introduction. Today we will learn how to play the chess game. For playing a game, first of all we have to set up board. Now let us set up the board. This is rook. Both the corners we place our rook. Next to the rook it comes knight. Next to the knight it is bishop placing and white queen always in the white square. Next to the queen it is king placing. Both corners rook. Next to the rook knight. Next to the bishop this is queen in white square and next to the queen it is king placing. In front of all piece we arrange our pawns. The same now we are going to arrange black pieces. This is rook, both corners. This is rook placing. Next to the rook it is knight placing. Then this is bishop placing. Black queen always in the black square and next to the queen again this is king placing. In front of all piece we have pawns. This is actual board setup before starting the chess game. In the chess game, we have 64 squares, 32 pieces. Each team 16 pieces. Total 32 pieces. Now we'll start the game. Okay. In chess, in first chance, you can play any of your pawn or two knights. This you can play or second one, this also you can play. Like elephants can't jump, the same way here in chess, rook and other pieces can't jump. Like horses jump, the same way here in chess, the two knights can jump over other pieces. Now let us start the game. I am going to start the game as I am white. Okay. Now I am going to start the game. Who is white will start the game. Now I am playing the knight. 1, 2, turn. As our knight rule, knight moves 1, 2, turn. Okay, chance by chance both the players will play. It is black chance now. Black can play any one of the pawn or this knight or second knight. Now black is going to play. Black played the pawn over here. Our pawn rule, pawn can goes 1 and 2 first. It is white turn again. Now see what white will play. White played the pawn 2 square. It is black chance. This black pawn can hit this pawn. As our rule, pawn goes straight but they captures 1 square slant. They go straight but they captures 1 square slant. This black pawn can capture to the white pawn means capturing means you will go to that square and that square is yours and you will remove that piece which you captured. Okay. Now goes cross at the time of capturing only. Otherwise, it goes only straight. Okay, it is white chance again. Now, white is going to play again the pawn. It is black turn. Black is going to play the bishop and capturing to this pawn. What is our bishop rule? Bishop goes slanting line always. Okay. Now it is again white chance. Again white is playing the bishop over here, slanting line. Now it is black chance. Black is going to play the queen over here. Our queen rule is standing line, sleeping line and slanting line. So black play the queen over here. It is white turn again. White is playing the rook over here. Our rook rule is standing line and sleeping line. So you can play over here. Next, it is again black turn. With this bishop, black can capture to the white knight. Black can capture to the white knight by moving slanting line. Here, what is our pawn rule? Pawn can capture slant line. You can hit the bishop with this pawn. Okay. Now again it is black chance. Black can play the knight. 1, 2, turn. White chance. White can play the knight again. 1, 2, turn. Let us see what black is playing. Black is playing the pawn here. Now this queen you can use in game. See, you can use your queen for capturing the pawn. Let us capture the pawn by moving our queen standing line. Okay. Now it is bishop which is moving slanting line. Now white, you just have to see. See, bishop captures slanting line. Bishop moves slanting line. See, black bishop can capture to the queen. Queen is most important. So white has to save the queen, means it has to move the queen to somewhere else. Here it is good move. Okay. Again it is black turn. Black, what it will play? Let us see. 1, 2, turn. Black played the knight. 1, 2, turn. Now white can capture to this pawn. See, move your queen standing line to capture black pawn. Okay. Everyone is clear till here? Black rook is here in danger because white queen is going to capture the rook. So black, it has to move the rook somewhere else. Okay. Clear? Now it is white chance again. White can play the knight. 1, 2, turn. See, with this knight, black knight can capture to the white knight. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, turn. It is white chance again. White is playing the rook, slipping line to this square. Now, this rook can capture to white rook. Just capture it. Move your rook, standing line and capture to opponent's rook. Here, what is our rule? King can move one square left, one square right, one square slant. This is our king rule. So, this king can capture to the black rook. So today we have learned how to play the game and how to capture opponent pieces. We will meet in next session.